हरे कृष्णा। नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति विघ्न विनाश नरसिंह स्वामी इति नामिने। नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिने इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशचारिणे। So today we are celebrating 73rd appearance day, Vyasa Puja of His Holiness Bhakti Vigna Vinas Narasingha Swami Maharaj. So I will just speak few sentences in his glorification. Of course, Maharaj does not depend upon my glorification to be glorified. He is very much glorified by his own merits, by his own greatness. Maharaj is a real sadhu. How we understand? Because the greatness of devotee is understood by his simplicity. Maharaj is so simple. He is like childlike. That is one quality of great devotees. Balak Sullabh. Very simple, like child. Though Maharaj, 73 years old personality in this body, but when Maharaj speaks, when he laughs, by seeing his face, by seeing his smile, you can see as like a small child he is smiling. Thus, his mood is like a small child, but his knowledge is like very great scholarly personality, saintly personality. So, Maharaj preaching in China, different parts of Asia. He is giving course in MI. But many devotees may not know Maharaj is the person who leads every year Navadvip Parikrama English group. He personally goes every year. Last many years I have been seeing. He leads the group in the sense arranging who will speak. Very major role Maharaj plays in Navadvip Mandal Parikrama. So I am very fortunate to come in contact with Maharaj through this parikrama. Before I would see him from distance, but I understood him, I realized him when I practically came in contact with him through this Navadvip Mandal Parikrama. So glorifying pure devotees like Maharaj is necessary for us, for our benefit, because when you glorify, when you remember the glories of the pure devotees, that purifies our heart. So Krishna is very merciful to send the great personality like His Holiness Bhakti Vigna Vinas Narasingha Swami Maharaj to this earthly planet, who are moving with us like ordinary personalities. They look like ordinary person, but actually they are not ordinary person. They are very, very special personalities. By hearing from Maharaj, just by being with him itself is a big realization. Maharaj is a perfect example of real Vaishnava. He speaks like Vaishnava. He does his responsibility like great Vaishnava. He looks like real Vaishnava. Always simple, and humble. One great thing Maharaj has, that Maharaj never expect any recognition. So that is another great quality of Vaishnavas. They don't want any recognition. Sometimes Maharaj, I have seen very responsible personality. He is not the sadhu of not taking responsibility. He is a sadhu. When he is maintaining a sadhu profile, sometimes he takes good responsibility also. So I am very fortunate on this auspicious day to speak few words glorifying Maharaj. And on this tithi, I offer my prostrated obeisances under the lotus feet of Maharaj. Same time I beg, I pray Maharaj, please excuse me if knowingly or unknowingly I have committed an offense unto lotus feet. Please bless me so I can develop great qualities like your holiness. Jai Srila Bhakti Vighna Vinash Narasimha Swami Maharaj ki Jai. Hare Krishna.